In this video, we're going to learn how to solve physically repeated questions under current electricity for the subtopic potentiometer. Alright, so we're going to practice with two repeated questions for this subtopic potentiometer. Let's get started. So the first question I have here says, in the figure above, xy is of length 1 meter. The value of r at balance point z is. Alright, so guys, for this particular question, the formula to apply to solve this problem we have under potentiometer is, this is the formula I will apply if I'm to solve this problem. It will be R1 over R2 equals L1 over L2. Alright, so in this question we have our R1 is what we are looking for. The value of R at the balance point Z is what? So let's call this unknown x over R2 is 20 ohms. That's this 20 here. Okay, equals, now our L1 is 60 cm. That's the value here at the left. Now to get the L2, the value that will be here, remember when we diameter bridge, we deduce that the sum of the length here from here to this point is 100 cm. So to get the second length, it will be subtract 60 from 100 minus 60, which will give you 40 cm. So our L2 will be 40. Now when you cross multiply, we're going to have 40x equals 60 times 20. You're going to have 1200. Divide both sides by 40. Okay, so 120 divided by 4, you are going to have 30 ohms, and that will be the correct answer to this question. The correct option is option A, 30 ohms. So that will be our R1. It's as simple as this. Let's wipe this now, solve the next repeated question. So the next repeated question we are going to attend to with this one. It says a cell of internal resistance 0.01 ohm can be measured accurately using the, so the correct option here will be what? Potentiometer. Alright, so potentiometer is a device that can be used to measure a cell of an internal resistance of this value accurately. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope there's something interesting from the video. Let's call it a video, guys. If you are new to our channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Let me know how you feel from what I have talked about in this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to request in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. So the correct option is option D. Now if you're not part of our channel membership, ensure that you are part of it now by clicking on the join button. Be part of our community. Over there we share special information that helps to simplify academic work for members of the channel. Alright, so join us now and you'll be glad you did. Now click on the screen above and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.